When it comes to RDWC, you don't have to sacrifice quality to keep your costs low. As we're listening to growers in the field and deep water culture connoisseurs that have been doing this longer than we've been in business, it's important to keep your costs low and be able to maintain that quality that they can bring to the table. A couple of things that we designed with the system was the Venturi to combat airstones. As everybody knows, airstones go bad, or sometimes they don't work at all, and that can eat up thousands of dollars in your profit every year. That's also why we came out with the root halo, is that we wanted a permanent net pot replacement that is actually truly permanent in order for you to grow massive stalks and continue using that year after year. Net pots on the market today are single use, and they end up in a landfill, and everybody knows that's not a great thing. It's important to keep your costs low, and that's what we're aiming to do here at Hydra Unlimited, to create long-lasting partnerships and mutually beneficial relationships.